Okay, so let's see. This is operates with a peak current. So my peak current is 12.90 amps. There's no zero, I guess. And then my resistance, there's no such thing, by the way, as peak resistance. It's just the resistance, 2.50 ohms. Thank heavens. All right, so there really are two ways to do this. I'll just do both ways. The first way is to just realize that the peak power divided by 2 is the average power, right? And for this guy, we're going to use peak power is I peak squared times R. All right, so let's do that. Power is the peak current, right? The peak power is the peak current squared, peak, times the resistance, which is 2.50, which is, what is that? 12.9 squared times 2.5 is 416.025 watts, right? And then this divided by 2 is equal to my power, right? Which is, let's divide that by 2. 208.0125, 1/80th, 208 and 1/80th of a watt. Right, or just about 208 watts, right? Okay, so that's way number one. Way number two is, let's use the fancy formula, right? So IRMS, we're going to use this as peak divided by the square root of 2, right? Okay, and then we're just going to use the fact that power is IRMS squared times R, okay? So let's do this. This is 12.9 divided by the square root of 2. That's 9.121677 amps. That's sort of the average, right? The average current. So then we're going to go 9.12167 squared times 2. So we don't need to do anything with the resistance. Remember, the resistance is just resistance. There's no peak resistance. Squared times 2.5. All right, what do we got? Well, it's exactly the same thing. Power is 208.0125 watt. Watt is the unit of power. Watt is the unit of power. That's what I'm asking. All right.